In our previous lesson, we were able to find that the sum of angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees, meaning the sum of angles of any triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Through investigation, by using a protractor, measuring the angles of a triangle and add them and find more or less 180. So by conclusion, we said the sum of angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And that was in practice. So now what we are going to have is to find the sum of angles of a triangle through proof, geometrically, rather than practically. So the knowledge that we have acquired in our previous lessons concerning parallel lines is going to play a role in this lesson. So you remember, and what we normally encourage is for us to do what we call diagram analysis. What is given to us is that SPT is parallel to QR, and we know from parallel lines we get alternate angles, we get corresponding angles, we get co-interior angles. So what we need to find out here is which angles have been generated here by parallel lines as part of diagram analysis. Now you see we have got a parallel line. Now I want to see how is this angle related to any other angle. Now I want to get a Z formation for parallel line. I can't get the Z formation to this side, I get it from that side. So this angle is, to me, gives me an alternate angle. Now another angle that I want to see to give me a Z formation, because I can't see the F formation, which will give me corresponding angles. Z formation gives alternate. So from this side to this side, this angle, the two angles are equal and they are alternate angles. So this is just to get given information, and what given information lead us to. In terms of diagram analysis, we are not here doing the proof. It's what we call diagram analysis. So let's come to the proof. We are going to use what we know, obviously. One other thing which you forget. This angle, and this angle, and this angle, they're below the straight line, and they share a common point. And once they share a common point, when we add them, we found that it's 180 degrees. So what we are going to say for the beginning, we are going to say P1, angle P1 plus angle P2 plus angle P3, which is this one, is equals to 180 degrees. Angles on straight line. Angles on straight line. So now let's continue. That is what we know. Perhaps we want to see this one. How is P1 related to an angle in the triangle? Any angle in the triangle. Already we found that P1 is equals to Q, and alternate parallel line alternate angles. Okay, parallel line alternate angles, and already P2 is at the triangle. We want to see how we get angles in the triangle. P3, angle P3 is equals to, already we found that is equals to angle R. Again, parallel line alternate angles. Okay, so now we are going to do substitution. P1 will be replaced by Q, which is this one, plus P2 because it's inside the triangle, because what we want is to prove that the angles inside the triangle equals to 180. So P3 is now going to be replaced by, okay, now we were able to find that Q plus P2 plus R is 180 degrees, and this yield as that angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. They give us 180 degrees. So we were able to prove deductively, having been given that SPT is parallel to QR, and triangle PQR. That was what was given to us. What was supposed to be proving is to prove that Q, angle Q plus angle P2 plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. So indeed, we were able to do that. We were able to do that, although we're working respectively. So thank you very much. I don't think there is any question here. This is a proof. Okay, we can do it practically by measuring using a protector, and now we're doing it in terms of geometrically. Okay, thank you. Now we want to do some exercise. Okay, this is an exercise. Okay. Okay. This is an exercise that we want to do. A is given as 79 degrees, B is given as 56 degrees, and angle C is X. So we want to find the value of unknown angle. This is the unknown angle. So what we know is that the sum of angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. That's what we know. Angles of a triangle. That is what we know. And the A is 79 degrees. B is 56 degrees. C is X. Is X, and then we have 180 degrees. Now we can add 50 using the calculator. Our calculator will be able to tell us 79 plus 50. Okay, let's make it on. 79 plus 56 degrees, and that gives us 135. 135 degrees plus X is 180 degrees. So having done the additive inverse, 135 degrees, 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, and that will give us 45 degrees. X is now 45 degrees. Okay, so this is what we were able to arrive at as part of, in terms of our calculation. So I also want you to do something on your own. So these are some of the problems that I want to do on the OD. Find the value of the unknown angle in each triangle. The unknown here is Y, the unknown here is Z, the unknown here is S, the unknown there is T. Copy them. Copy this diagram quickly. You can copy one and solve, and then you replay the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it will make a difference to your understanding of Euclidean geometry. That is a big start. If you miss this type of thing, you have lost forever. Thank you. Keep watching my video. Subscribe to this channel.